Ever wonder why habit advice never seems to stick with ADHD? It's because most of it's built on consistency. And the ADHD brain? It thrives on novelty and instant rewards. That's why the usual just do it every day advice, yeah, that falls apart fast. ADHD brains crave novelty, not repetition. That's why delayed rewards feel impossible. And time blindness makes habits vanish into thin air. So, how do you make it work? You stop fighting your brain and start working with it. Let's get into it. Start small, like ridiculously small. 1 squat before brushing your teeth. Take a sip of water before drinking your coffee. Why? Because tiny moves slip past mental resistance. Before your brain even notices, you've already started. Dr. Hallowell calls them self-supportive habits. Remember, we're starting small. So small your brain doesn't fight back. Because once you sneak it in, it grows on its own. Want an easy habit hack? Attach it to something you already do. Write a task after making coffee. Take a deep breath after tying your shoes. No extra effort, just seamless. Out of sight, out of mind. That's the ADHD struggle. So make habits hard to ignore. Sticky notes, phone timers, visual cues. They do the remembering. That way your brain doesn't have to do it. So make habits rewarding right away. Check off a task for a dopamine hit. Set a timer for quick wins. And blast your favorite song after you're done. Turn progress into a game, and your brain will want to play it. Clear goals, instant rewards. That's how you build a habit loop your brain actually likes. Make it feel good now, and sticking with it gets way easier. Don't just break bad habits, swap them. Try replacing doom scrolling with some mindful stretches. Trade late night snacking for a calming tea ritual. And remember, don't go it alone. Routines and having accountability will help you. ADHD has its highs and its lows. Plan for both. Stay flexible and keep moving forward. ADHD is unpredictable, but if you expect the chaos, you can plan for it. Have a backup. Adjust. Don't quit. That's how habits stick. Make habits fun. Make them flexible. Forget perfection. Progress is the goal. Start small. Stay adaptable. And watch your habits change your life. Don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're ready to make a change, coaching can help you move forward with confidence. Schedule a free consultation today at joshdolan.com and start creating the life you want. And don't forget, live with purpose, love with passion, and keep pushing forward.